I have always believed in growth mindsets because I'm the only genius in my family. So I saw this video in which you are supposed to write from your non-dominant hand. So I started writing with my left hand to improve my cognition. But it has been working against me. So recently I was about to do signature on a check and I thought, why not? It's time for me to show my skills with the left hand, and I started writing my signature with my left hand. But the guy who was at the bank, while I was doing signature, I told him I'm a genius, and I was taking like 2 to 3 minutes to write my signature. He's like, is there any guardian with you? I'm like, wow,